Okay, so this I found interesting. It's a 2.7 K&N. '2007. Up in Canada, we go by kilometers, so it's 206,000. So I don't know, 160-ish, 160,000 miles. I don't know. It's got an exhaust, so this is for all you guys out there. I don't even know the brand. Check that out, maybe. Sounds kind of good. Just a base charger, but it's cool. I mean, I'm not a Dodge fan. Fit and finish, and I mean, I could make a lot of cases against them, but it's kind of cool though. I kind of like it. All right, later.